Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the old hymn, Blessed Assurance. So as usual, I'm going to play the song for you now, and then after I play it, I'm going to break it down and kind of explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. Perfect submission, perfect delight, visions of rapture now burst on my sight. Angels descending, bring from above echoes of mercy, whispers of love. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. Perfect submission, all is at rest. I and my Savior am happy and blessed, watching and waiting, looking above, filled with His goodness, lost in His love. This is my story, this is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story, this is my song,
All right, so for this song, we're going to be using 5 chords from the C chord family. We have the C chord, F over C, which is a nice F alternative in the C chord family. We have the A minor 7 chord, the G chord, and also the D minor chord. Now, it's important to remember for the D minor chord, we need to start our strumming on the D string. So we're only going to be strumming 4 strings for the D chord. We want to make sure not to strum the E or the A string, okay? And also, while I'm at it, I'm just going to let you know that for the C and the F over C, as well as the A minor 7, you want to make sure not to strum the E string on those. You're going to start your strumming on the A string. The strum pattern for this song is a 3-beat strum pattern. We're going to have down strums for all beats, and then we're going to throw in some up strums as well after beat 2 and 3, okay? So for beat 1, 2, and 3, we're strumming down, and then after 2 and after 3, we're strumming up, okay? So I'm just going to hold my C chord, and I'm going to play that strum pattern slowly so that you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, and 3, and 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 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.